Hi, this is CarpenterA. In this video, I'm going to talk about the shape of the lines that are expressed when the drawings produced by Archline are printed in 2 dimensions. In the past, when computer technology was not advanced, blueprints were printed as blue color lines displayed with white lines on a blue background. Architectural drawings were completed using a T-shaped ruler on tracing paper on the drawing board. The displayed lines are variously expressed, such as thin lines, thick lines, and dotted lines. Expression method using a pencil has proceeded with CAD, and data management was carried out in the form of layers in this process. 2D data management has become easier by managing in a layered way. It is now possible to assign color, thickness, and style to a specific layer that the user has specified, and if the screen is complex, it is also possible to temporarily hide the layer. Unlike CAD, BIM products are basically based on a 3-dimensional model. However, when submitting BIM files, the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport requires that CAD drawings of the conventional method be submitted as PDF files in addition to 3D models. In other words, data management can proceed through the existing method, layer, and the new method, management by BIM attribute, is also possible. For existing CAD users, layer management may be more convenient. If you don't know how to manage layers through traditional CAD, don't worry. Archline is pre-layered by architectural components. For each country, the Archline distribution is automatically divided into layers. The Korean version is provided in Korea by CarpenterA, which is in charge of supplying Archline in Korea, performed this work. If the default setting value needs to be changed, the user can modify the setting value by yourself. For example, if you look at the wall properties, just below the wall general properties tab, there is a part for specifying the color of the lines. Here, click on the line color. Users can change the line color. Also, at the bottom of the dialog box, you can check the layer called. If you click here, Archline will be able to proceed with data management in a layered method. At the bottom of the Archline screen, in the middle, there is a layer icon. When you click this, the layer management dialog box is displayed. Here you can change the name of the layer, hide and show, and specify the raw material, thickness, and weight values. You can manage this couple even in layout settings for printing. In the properties of the group, you can manage it easily by simply clicking the layer button. Next, about the end of the line being output. The Archline prefers to have the string part of the output lines run smoothly. However, there are some users who prefer to have the end of the line cut off at a right angle.
아치라인은 사용자가 원하는 대로 출력할 수 있도록 선택권을 제공하고 있습니다.
Archline provides options so that users can print as they wish. Click the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Check the end of the line in the 2D display at the top left of the screen that appears. By default, it is said to be fine. This setting rounds the end of the line. When this part is changed to normal, the end treatment of the line is expressed as a right angle.
정말로 직각으로 출력되는지 PDF 출력을 통해 확인 가능합니다.
In fact, you can check whether the output is perpendicular to the PDF output. When outputting as a PDF file, it appears the same as on paper output, so it is suitable for preliminary review prior to printing on paper. Also, the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport of the Republic of Korea has designated those reference drawings should be submitted as PDF files. Archline has a layer value set by default. Users can modify the basic layer information and add layers at any time. If you specify a section in the basic plan view, the section automatically appears in a new window. This is where you can add 2D operations. You can add text and arrows that appear in the drawing. 2D drawing, understanding how to work is very simple. Just by looking at the shape of the icon, you can immediately understand it. In general, in an architect's office, the layer setting values used by one employee are standardized and the rest of the employees work in some cases. In this case, a template function that only shares this layer of information is provided. In this way, even a beginner can use Archline, and the architect's office adopts a method that enables efficient drawing creation. I was a CarpenterA until now. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you. See you in the next video.